Hey everyone, welcome back to Code Tomato. Today we're building a simple pagination component using HTML and CSS, complete with a cool hover effect that will make your website look super modern and interactive. Let's dive in. First off, let's create the HTML structure. We have an unordered list with the class pagination. Inside the list, we create 5 list items. Each item contains an anchor tag that holds a page number from 1 to 5. This creates a basic structure for pagination where each number is a clickable link. Now, let's style it with CSS to make it visually appealing. Import the enter font from Google Fonts for a clean and modern look. Add a simple reset CSS to remove the default paddings and margins. For the body, set the font family to enter. Apply a black background color. Center everything using Flexbox by setting display flex, justify content center, and align item center. Ensure the height of the viewport is fully covered with height 100 bh. Now, let's style the pagination list. Remove the default bullets with list style type none. Use display flex to lay out the list items horizontally. Add some spacing between items with gap 15 pixels. Next, let's style each link. Set the color to white for the text. Remove the default underline with text decoration none. Set the font size to 1.3 em. Define the dimensions with height 60 pixels and width 60 pixels. Use a semi-transparent background to give a subtle modern feel. Make the link circular using border radius 50%. Center the text using text align center and align content center. Here is the fun part, the hover effect. First, add a before pseudo-element to each link. Use the content property to create a pseudo-element. Set its position to absolute to allow precise positioning. After setting the pseudo-element position, update the anchor tag to position relative so it can act as a container for the pseudo-element. Let's match the pseudo-element size and style. Set its dimensions with height 100%, width 100%. Add a vibrant blue background color. Make the pseudo-element circular using the border radius 50%. Align it with the parent by setting top to 0 and left to 0. Use z-index -1 to keep it behind the text. Initially, hide it by moving it out of the view with transform translate y to 100%. Add a smooth animation with transition transform to 0.5 seconds. Finally, let's make the pseudo-element visible on hover. When hovering over the link, reset the transform to translate y 0. Lastly, add overflow heading to anchor element. This keeps the pseudo-element confined within the link's boundary. And that's it. We created a modern and interactive pagination component. If you want to explore the full code, check out the code pinned link below.